Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to make small fish egg curry. They're super delicious and easy to make. First of all, you'll need oil. Then add in onions. A teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together. Five minutes later, add the water. Then add the garlic and ginger paste. Mix. A teaspoon of hollowed. A teaspoon of coriander powder. 2 teaspoons of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of jeera. Mix it all together. Add in water. Five minutes later, add the fish eggs. Mix it all together. Five minutes later, add the chili. Five minutes later, add the coriander. This is how it should look 5 minutes later. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Goodbye guys, have a good day.